Rich Power Packers and Movers are one of the most reliable companies in the field of good packing and moving. Our team members are committed to execute personalized movers.
Packer services as according to our customer decided.
Although each and every shifting we perform is unique.
Our services are packing services, loading services, unloading services, insurance, unpacking and arrangement. Our aim is to provide quality packing and professional moving services at reliable and affordable rates.
Fast and easy moving service, stress-free relocation with low budget. We place your cargo safely. Our services are available 24/7 from any location to any desired address. They are definitely be assured of a safe and a stress-free moving experience after choosing them.
Rich Power Packers and Movers Coats India is a very reliable and experienced Rich Power Packers and Movers consultancy in Chennai. We provide to you top packers and movers companies at a very competitive rate. Our them have a very firm principle, good and expert team and dedications.
Rich Power Packers and Movers quote India is prospering with high hope and estimation.
You can connect Packers Movers Coats India Chennai in one call.
Just call and contact us and we are ready at your doorstep. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and click on the sidebar. Thank you, bye bye and support also. Thank you.
Shadows lurk.